Let's take a look at the first example. We're supposed to find 2 ohm resistor. It's very important to remember that the very first bands of the resistor represent the digits. I have just 1 digit. My second digit is going to be 0. And if I want to find just 2 ohm instead of 20, I have to use the proper multiplier. In this time, I'm going to use gold, because gold is just 1/10. 20 times 1/10 is going to give me 2. That's why the color code for this resistance is going to be red, black, gold, and because I have tolerance 5%, I'm going to have gold also over here. This gold is my multiplier, 0.1. This gold is my tolerance, 5%. This is the color code for this resistance. Let's take a look at the second example. I have 3.6 ohms. What I have to do? I'm supposed to rewrite this number as a product. I'm going to have 36 times 0.1. 36 times 1/10 gives me 3.6. Now I can find the color bands for this resistance. 3 is orange. 6 is blue. 0.1 is gold. And tolerance, 5%, is also gold. This is the color code for this resistance. Let's take a look at the third example. We have 12 ohms. Anytime we will have resistance 10 ohms or greater, the problems are going to get simpler if it comes to finding the color bands of the resistors. Why? Because I'm not going to talk in terms of the multiplier anymore. I'm going to talk in terms of number of zeros. So if the third band is going to be black, I'm going to have 0 zeros. 0 zeros means no zero at all. Many people get confused because when they see the third band black, they add automatically 0. 0 means no zeros at the third position. 0 at the third position is going to give me brown color because I'm going to have just 1 0. Anytime I'm going to have black at the third position, there is no zeros at all. What I mean by that? I have 12 ohms. That's why I'm going to have brown. 2 is represented by red color. Because I do not have any zeros over here, that's why I'm going to write over here black. No zeros. And tolerance is 5%, gold. This is the color code for this resistor.